How are you doing, folks? James Farr here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this mint condition 161 BMW 5 Series 520D SE. Now this is the 2-litre diesel engine. Let's take a quick look around her. Up front you have the BMW LED angel eyes, the front parking sensors, the iconic BMW kidney grille. Come around to the side, you have the 17-inch BMW V-spoked alloys on run flat tyres, the silver trim surrounding the windows, the shark fin aerial up top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 520D badging, the twin exhausts, the automatic trunk. It's a simple click the key fob and she'll pop right open. You also have the rear LED tail lights. Now let's take a quick look at the interior and some of the features on board this 520D. Now that we're inside, folks, you can see the multifunctional BMW steering wheel, the BMW teleservice on board with features such as sat-nav navigation, enhanced Bluetooth, connective drive and many other extras. You have the BMW iDrive system that allows you to access and control the BMW teleservice, the automatic transmission, the e-brake, the 360-degree parking sensors. The interior comes in an ivory white Dakota leather with a dark oak wood trim finish surrounded by a platinum trim. Fully electric windows, automatic headlights, the BMW SOS service system on board, the keyless push button start ignition, rain sensing wipers. This car is also fitted with a sports mode, comfort mode and an Eco Pro mode. Now folks, that's just some of the features on board this 161 BMW 5 Series 520D SE. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video.